one of the main things we can do is just educate people and let them know that this is a huge problem. Like, we are facing the 6th mass extinction right now.
Warming temperatures isn't only affecting our environment, it's also impacting primate evolution. A PhD student at Montreal's Concordia University worries that if the Earth keeps warming up, we could be saying goodbye to hundreds of species of monkeys and apes.
For people, we can go into air conditioning, and we can, like, when it's really hot during the day, we have other options, but primates don't have those kind of options.
Brogan Stewart has been looking at the effects of climate change on primate habitats for 2 years. She says we need to stop pretending the Earth isn't warming up and that the present state of affairs is the reason many animals and plant species are being driven to extinction. Over the last year, her research focused on just how much hotter average temperatures would be in the years to come as compared to the temperatures before carbon emissions began warming the planet. According to her calculations, a 2 degrees Celsius increase in average temperatures would lead to more than a quarter of all species experiencing temperatures higher than those of pre-industrial times. She says many species are already living in temperatures above their thresholds.
Some, primates only live to be 10 years old and then they pass away. And so for them, they don't have this generation time that we do. So we are making change, but very slowly, and it's just too slow for lots of these animals.
Stewart spent last summer studying the behavior of wild monkeys in Japan and was supposed to return this summer to continue her research, but could not due to the ongoing pandemic. So she's regrouped to now focus her research on the captive monkeys at Granby Zoo, just 1 hour away from Montreal.
Oh, I just loved it. Like I said, it was like a soap opera with monkeys. So there's dominance hierarchies, right? So there's the highest ranking male in the group, and wherever he goes, the entire population of these Japanese macaques follows him around. But then there's the high ranking female, and then her daughter becomes the second highest ranking female. But if she has another daughter, the youngest daughter then becomes the second highest ranking female. And all of the monkeys in the population follow this ranking system. It's crazy. It's like they just know who was born and they follow it to a T.
Stewart says she hopes her research can contribute to conservation efforts around the world, but adds it's important to remind everyone that each action we take could help fight this climate crisis.
I know that as one individual, I'm not going to change the world. But I believe that if there are many of us that try, then we can all together.
In Montreal, Melina Giubilaro, City News.